This is by far the easiest pizza ever. Made in a blender, quick and easy to prepare. In a blender, add 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Blend well. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us and for sharing our recipes. We're super curious. Now add 2 cups of flour and blend until smooth. If your blender is not very powerful, I recommend adding the flour gradually. Now transfer the mix from the blender into a pizza tray already greased with butter and dusted with flour. My tray is 30 centimeters wide. Spread the dough across using a spatula. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, "I love pizza." Put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Alternatively, poke the dough with a fork. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Now let's fill our pizza. Let's start by adding tomato sauce. Spread it. You can choose your favorite filling. I've added grated mozzarella cheese, spicy salami, tomato slices, a chopped onion, and oregano. Finally, put it again in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Try this recipe at home. Then write in the comments what you think. I'm sure you won't regret it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.